Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Kingston College from Kingston up against Calabar High from St. Andrew. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Kingston College is represented by Team Captain Loan Martin, Patrick Gabadon, Shane Bennett, and Tradicio Edwards. And Calabar High is represented by Team Captain Tobianne Dreckett, Kobe McKnight, Matthew Aiken, and CJ McCalla. Only one of these teams will move on to the semifinals. Hello everyone and welcome to this first match in Friday's doubleheader of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz, your third quarter final. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. Your judges are Dr. James Smith for the sciences and Teresa Easy for the arts. Well, it all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Kingston College won and decided to let Calabar go first. So we begin with Calabar High. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so please, may I have that time on the clock. And we begin Calabar with chemistry. What is the name for a process in which atoms or ions enter a bulk phase represented by a liquid or a solid material?
Ionization.
Incorrect. Absorption. Chemistry for Kingston College. What is the name for the process which converts a refined metal to a more chemically stable form, such as its oxide, hydroxide, or sulfide?
Electrolysis.
Incorrect. Corrosion. International affairs are visual for Calabar. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Jorge Carlos Fonseca.
That's correct. President of the Cape Verde Islands. International affairs for Kingston College. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Mario Abdo Benitez.
Incorrect. Carlos Quesada, President of Costa Rica. Physics for Calabar. A baseball player throws a ball with a force of 10 newtons. The ball travels 20 meters. What is the total work done?
200 joules.
Very good. Physics for Kingston College. If the velocity of an object changes from 20 meters per second to 50 meters per second over the course of 5 seconds, what would the average acceleration be?
6 meters per second squared.
Very good. Music and audio for Calabar. Listen to the following clip and identify the duo.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Sean Paul and Nadine Solan.
Incorrect. Sean Paul and Sasha. I'm still in love. Music. Kingston College. Listen to the following clip and identify this duo.
Shakadimos and Players.
Murder, She Wrote. Correct. Spanish for Calabar. Translate this question to English. ¿Pudiste cambiar la llanta?
Can you change the tire?
That's correct. Spanish for Kingston College. Translate this question to English. ¿Podrás estudiar conmigo mañana?
Can you study with me tomorrow?
Very good. Theatre and cinema visual one for Calabar. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
James Burke.
Incorrect. Lyric Bent. Theatre and cinema for KC. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Justice Smollett.
Incorrect. Alano Miller. Literature for Calabar. What is the title of the first book of the Spiderwick Chronicles, published in 2003?
Into the spider's web.
Incorrect. The Field Guide, Literature for KC. What is the title of the fourth book of the Spiderwick Chronicles, published in 2004?
The magic spider.
Incorrect. The Ironwood Tree. Sport or visual for Calabar. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Manuel Naya.
Professional footballer, correct. Sport for KC. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
James Rodriguez.
That's correct. Professional footballer. Jamaican heritage for Calabar. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Play with puppy.
Puppy lick your nose.
Puppy lick your mouth, judges. And Jamaican heritage for KC. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Cockroach na business.
In a full fight.
That's right. And that bell signals the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Calabar High on 4 points, Kingston College right with them on 5, or just ahead on 5 it looks like. It's time for the Digicel Viewer's Question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Sport. The question is, since 1919, the leader of the general classification in the Tour de France cycling event wears which color jersey? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.